Mushiny has been brought into Coca-Cola to help us reduce our labour costs, improve our accuracy, and definitely it helps with us and our continuous operation through task automation.
Mushiny has installed in these robots cameras and sensors which have made sure we have safety as our #1 priority. We have also reduced our heavy lifting distance as well as our forklift activity.
Mushiny has helped our efficiency and helped reduce our human error. We're able to set automated tasks. It minimises variations from our human factor, and we're able to execute tasks with precision due to the reporting side.
Mushiny has provided us data which we can then analyse data trends, make informed purchasing and product placement decisions, as well as alert us of any stock that may be running low or we may have any anomalies with.
It's helping us become more sustainable by using less energy than traditional machinery, and that reduces our overall energy consumption and our carbon footprint.
Been able to improve our efficiency 4 times. We're going 4 times faster than we were before. We made the right choice to choose Mushiny. I'm Ben. I work for Ledvance. We're a lighting company that supports the US and Canada. This facility is about 500,000 square feet. We have customers like Menards, Walmart, and Home Depot. We are a global company. We have distribution centers all over the world. The other facilities are slightly smaller, that they support the East Coast, the West Coast, and we take everything in the middle. Our biggest concern was the labor market. We want to do things more efficiently, and we're having a hard time hiring people. Everyone I talk to, everybody's having the same problem. We want to do things faster, and automation has allowed us to speed up. It's also allowed us to have less of a labor force need, and the folks that we do have, we're able to invest in them and teach them new things. We've been able to eliminate over half of our forklifts, and forklift safety is a big responsibility for the company, because when people and forklifts engage, that's usually where accidents happen and people get hurt. One of the things that you'll see when you walk out on the floor is you'll see parked forklifts. So that means we're not using them like we used to. We're now letting the robots do the work for us. Putting in robots like this has helped us quarantine sort of an area where these robots can operate safely around the clock, and people generally don't need to go in that area to interact with them. We've created another environment that's even safer than it was before. Adding in these robots has helped us reduce our training time from about 3 to 4 weeks to a day. It's focused on training people on how to operate a forklift. You just have to train them on what I would call quite an easy system to learn. So I looked at 3 competitors. Kiva was one of them, Geek Plus was the other one, and then of course Mushiny. We had better price, we had better service level, and we found Mushiny met that requirement. And we've had good support because things happen. There's system issues, there's things that we didn't expect, but having the support to work through the problems has been very important to this. Our profitability is really about our costs. We've been able to improve our efficiency 4 times. We're going 4 times faster than we were before. We made the right choice to choose Mushiny. We were able to automate, reduce our cost, improve our efficiencies and productivity.
My name's John Sakani from Wink. I'm the Continuous Improvement Project Manager here. I've been with Wink now for about a year and a half, working on the automation projects. The rewarding part of this journey so far is getting to work with some new technology. Pre-Mushiny AMRs, our pickers were walking about 6 Ks on average each day to perform their duties. Most of that travel time's now been eliminated with the goods-to-person Mushiny AMR system. With our Mushiny system, we've seen a significant reduction in our returns through the numerous item validations that have been introduced at both decanting and picking. Great things with the Mushiny AMR system is its user-friendliness, so we can get new operators started up in about 30 minutes of training, which has been great for those peak season volumes. It's been a great development opportunity for us to expose our team to a solution that's going to be a norm for warehouses across Australia. Great job at adapting to the new tools at their disposal and finding better ways to do things as we progress. When the Mushiny AMRs were first announced, there was a bit of fear of robots stealing jobs, but it's somewhat done opposite that. So there's been no permanent jobs affected by the implementation of our Mushiny system. Rather, we've given the team that we've got additional skills now and tools at their disposal to just better do their jobs. So just like forklifts have become a staple tool for most warehouses, AMRs and other automation solutions are sure to be a core part of warehousing moving forward. Given our extensive product range of over 37,000 SKUs, we needed a solution that could adapt to something as small as an eraser, as big as a case of paper. And this solution's done just that. It's easily modifiable, easily expandable to grow and shrink with business demands. Given our customer promise to deliver Metro orders next day if you order by 5 p.m, we needed a solution that could help us, meet those tight operational deadlines. And it's done just that. So across decanting, picking, packing, we've seen benefits all around. The great things with Mushiny AMR system is that it's hassle-free in terms of managing the robots. In terms of charge, each robot has about an 8-hour charge life, but they opportunistically charge throughout the day, so we don't have to worry about that. So safety is paramount for us here at Wink. These AMRs in particular have a couple of safety features. First being a LiDAR, so they'll sense what's in front of it, and if anything enters its exclusion zone, the AMR will come to a stop. Failing that, there's a redundancy, which is a mechanical bump stop, front and back. If that impacts anything, it'll stop the AMR as well. Failing that, we've got emergency stops front of it.